Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shen. So today I will be reviewing it, well, doing a unboxing video of this 613 wig that I received from Atozwig. So you guys know that I've worked with Atozwig before, so they went ahead and they sent me over a 613 wig to review for them. And this is a Amazon based company and their wigs are pretty inexpensive. I did pick up a, this is a 8-inch. Even to me it looks a bit more longer than 8 inches. But anyhow, it's a 613. You guys know I'm not gonna ever rock this wig like this. Like, no. It's almost look like she's a dancehall queen for life. If you're Jamaican, you would know that movie Dancehall Queen. These are the type of wigs that they used to wear back in the 90s back in Jamaica, when they used to go to like dance halls and stuff with the green and the blue and you know, so forth. So this is actually a lace front wig and this retails on Amazon for $69.69. No, $69.99. So far it is it's a human hair. It's a Brazilian straight hair, and this is the construction of the inside. It comes with the regular standard 3 combs. Yeah, 3 combs. So it has 2 on the ear tabs and it has 1 in the centerpiece. I never do get why they put a comb right here, but anyways, and it comes with the adjustable straps in the nape. So guys, shipping was pretty fast for me, I will say. What I received in the bag was just their little bag to keep the wig in. I do keep these to, you know, make sure my wigs are secure and cared for, and they did send these wig caps, so thank you so much. I did also receive a little gift as well somewhere around here, but I am undecisive what color to put this wig in. So if you guys would like, I will let you guys choose. I was more thinking a dark ash blonde, being that this is it's already a 613, so it'd be easy for me to tone. But if not, I do have some Revlon high color hair dye in, what's it called, magenta, that I can use. And I also have like some pink, I think it's like cotton candy, one of those Adore hair colors. But you guys can choose what color you think I should put this wig in. What color would be suitable for my skin complexion. I was more thinking of the ash blonde like I said before, but I remembered I also have a bob wig in ash blonde. So I'm wondering if I should do this in like a burgundy. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know. One thing I did notice is that the front of the hair seems as if it's already pre-plucked. If you guys can see, even the lace is yellow. Holy crap, first time I'm working with one of these wigs. So even the lace at the front there seems as if it's already pre-plucked. But once I take this wig off, this U-part wig, I will give this a try. Because like I said, I am giving wigs a break for a while, but I will be doing this. Just let me know what color you guys think, guys, and I will do that. You know, I will do that video. It's 8 inches, more looks like a 10-inch to me. But anyhow, love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, love you.